Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today for another video. For today's video, I'm super excited to be bringing to you guys my new lash line called Lash Couture. We're going to be doing some makeup today and talking about my lash line, and I'm going to show you guys all the styles that I have to offer in this new collection. So I'm super excited to be bringing this to you guys today and sharing my baby with you guys. I hope you love my lash line as much as I do. And as I said, we are going to be doing makeup today. I am going to be going for like a yellow summery look. It's inspired by this tank that I'm wearing right now. So if you're interested in seeing what kind of look I come up with and seeing my lash line, stay tuned and watch the rest of this video. Okay guys, I am back and the brows are done. So I went in with my Ardell brow pomade in the shade dark brown, one of my OGs, and then I cleaned up under my brow with my Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 12. This is what that looks like. And then I went over top of my brows to clean up with the Fenty Beauty foundation. Which one is that? The Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation in the shade 450. Next, we're going to go ahead and jump right into the eyes. I'm going to be using my Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn palette. And you guys have seen me use this palette so many times. This is like one of my all-time favorite palettes. I got this in a BoxyCharm 1 month and I've used it so much. I have a lot of palettes, but I always go back to this one and my Jackie Aina palette a lot. So for today's video, we're going to be using this shade right here called Daybreak. Oh wait, that's Horizon. This shade right here called Daybreak is literally the exact color of my tank, and I'm just gonna do a light wash of color on my eyes. So now that we have the yellow shadow all over the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and just take my blending brush and just lightly blend out the edges. So I'm pretty satisfied with how this looks. Like I said, I just wanted like a basic yellow eye. So now I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of wing liner for you guys. And I'm just going to be using my e.l.f. liner in the shade Jet Black. And this is what that looks like. We're still rocking out with this liner. And I'm not the best at wing liner, but I'm going to attempt to give you guys a good wing. Not intending on my wings being that big, but apparently the Lord had other plans for me today. I think we all think this is as good as it's gonna get, so we're gonna leave it alone while we're ahead of ourselves. I'm gonna do my lashes last so that I can talk about them for a little bit. So we're gonna come back to the eyes in a second. We're just gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of the face. Alright you guys, so I am back and I'm ready to introduce you guys to my lash line. So the first pair of lashes I'm going to be showing you guys is the one that I'm wearing right now. This style is called Grwm. They are 25mm lashes and they are very wispy and long. So if you're a girl who likes what I call big girl lashes, this is definitely the lash for you. Disclaimer though, these lashes are currently sold out. These lashes sold out probably within 2 days of me posting my lash line. I mean, before I could even get my website up. These lashes went very quick, but I will be restocking them soon, which is why I'm showing you guys this lash. So again, this style is called Grwm, and these are my best sellers right now so far. And they're absolutely beautiful. Now personally, I tend to go for a natural looking lash, so this is not a lash that you will see me wear all the time, but for the sake of the video and because this is what most of my customers like the most, I am wearing them for you guys. The next lash style that I'm going to be showing you guys is called Caviar, and this is what they look like. Actually, let me take the plastic off for you guys. Yeah, so this is Caviar. She is absolutely beautiful. I like this style of lash because these lashes start small in the inner corner and then they get long towards the outer corner, and they'll give you like a nice cat eye effect. The only difference with these is these are like 25mm as well, so they are very long, but they will give you a nice cat eye effect. These have also the 3D effect to them, and they are real mink lashes, and they do last a very long time. You can wear these lashes up to 10 to 20 times if you take care of the lash band. So again, this is the style Caviar. The next lash that I'm going to show you guys is actually my signature lash, and when I show you this lash, you're going to see why. This lash is called Thalia, and this is what they look like. Now, as you can see, these lashes are much shorter than the first two pair that I showed you guys. They do start shorter in the inner corner and get longer towards the outer corner. But if you've been watching me for a while, you know that this style of lash is the type of lash that I prefer. This will also give you a cat eye effect, but they aren't as long as the Caviar. These are like standard length lashes, like what you would find at Dollar General or at Walmart, like regular length lashes. So this is like my go-to lash for like everyday wear. You can dress these up, you can dress them down, you can wear these with any type of look, day or night. They're so beautiful, and again, these are also 3D mink lashes, so they can also be worn up to 10 to 20 times if you take care of them and, you know, clean your lashes. I will have a video coming soon showing you guys how to properly clean the lash band so that you can get the most use out of your lashes. So again, this is the style Thalia, my signature lash. If you like a lash with a little bit of volume but not a whole lot of length, that's not like boom in your face, then this is gonna be the perfect lash for you. So this lash that I'm about to show you guys is called High Fashion. These lashes are also on the longer side, but these are like really wispy, and they're kind of spread out as well. They don't start off as short in the inner corner. They're just really like wispy and long, really sexy. They're very flattering on the eyes. So these lashes are going to be good for like a night out, maybe an upscale event when you want something sexy but not like as dramatic as the ones that I have on right now. And these also have the 3D effect to them, which means they just basically layered the hairs on the lashes to give them extra volume. And again, these can also be worn 10 to 20 times if you properly clean the lash band. And again, that style is called High Fashion. So High Fashion is actually like my second best seller. These are really close to being sold out. So if you want to purchase these lashes, I'm going to leave my website down below, and it's www.taleahbeauty.com. Each one of these lashes retail for $10 each, and they can be shipped anywhere in the US. I'm only shipping in the US as of right now, but obviously once we expand and, you know, do more things along the way, we will start to ship in other places as well, because I do have people who watch me that are not in the United States, and we do want to make sure that they can enjoy Taleah Beauty just like everybody else. But for right right now, we are only shipping to the US. The very lash style that I'm going to be showing you guys is called Queen, and this is what she looks like. This lash has a lot of length and super mega volume. Like, these are some extremely thick, heavy lashes. You probably can't tell looking at them from the pan, but these are super full, lots of volume. So if you are a girl that wants something like, these lashes have more length in this lash, but the volume is like a whole lot more. I think these are very dramatic, but as far as dramatic goes, I think these lashes beat all of my lashes. They're extremely dramatic, especially like towards the end here. And they're very full too. So if you're someone that likes more of a natural lash, you don't want this lash because it's going to be too much for you. It's probably kind of hard to tell in the pan. I will insert pictures in here for you guys as well, just so that you can have a reference on how full, how thick, how much volume each lash has, so you have a good idea of how these lashes might look on yourself. But if you want a really big, dramatic, super full, super volume lash, then this lash is the one for you. And again, this is called Queen, and she is absolutely stunning. I hope you guys saw some lashes that you were interested in. I feel like there's a lash style in here for everybody, but you know, everybody has their own preference. All right guys, so that is all I have for everybody today. Thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you all also to the people that have already purchased lashes from me. You guys have no idea how much this means to me to have your support with launching my very first business. So again, if you're interested in purchasing, I'll leave the link down below. The website is www.taleahbeauty.com, and you can also purchase through my Facebook page as well. There's a product tab on my business Facebook page if you want to purchase through there. But if you have any more questions that I might have missed in the video, leave me a comment down below, or feel free to message me or DM me on my Instagram as well. So until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. That's all I have. You guys stay safe. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next upload. Bye guys.